Good Saturday! Dover, egg beater, 1891. I think I made 2 videos using this. Look how shiny. Probably could use another shine. The quality is just so cool. I love the wood handle. Is this really 134 years old? Is that possible? Seriously. This is the only hand mixer I have. Truth be told, these blades are tin plated. I've always been a little concerned that tin might get in my food because they're plated. And sometimes they smell a little tinny, I have to say. Fast forward! I still can't believe I found a Dover in such good condition. I cleaned it up a little bit. Oh my gosh. I've been wanting to buy another hand mixer. I put it off. I put it off. The other day I saw an Ekco Eterna from 1958. The date was on the box. And it looks really beautiful and chromy. And the blades are stainless. I'm hoping. I believe it said stainless. It was just really shiny. We have to open it up. Oh, there it is. Oh! I love things with the date on them. I love pamphlets and boxes with the date on them. It just makes it that much sweeter. Oh, gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, it's like better than... Wow, it smells old. Sturdy die-cast frame, noiseless nylon gears, and I'm not happy about the nylon. Stainless steel blades. $1958. Oh, there are cutouts. Why are there cutouts? Okay. Sturdy die-cast frame, noiseless nylon, same thing. Alright, let's open it. Tell me they didn't tape it. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Why do people put tape on vintage boxes? I'm sorry for yelling. It pisses me off. I don't think there was tape in the picture. I'll have to look. We've got some scotch tape here. And packing tape here. I'm sorry for yelling, but that really pisses me off. I just lost a piece there. Alright, I want to see if I can do it without alcohol. Why? Why would they do that? Very upsetting. Okay, that's not bad. Oh, not bad. Oh. I'm going to have to write them. Okay. Well, it seems smaller than... It feels smaller. I knew that the wheel was not as wide as a lot of the old Eccos. You know, the wheel is very wide on those old Eccos. And the grooves look very detailed grooves. Look how shiny. This is what caught my attention. Look how shiny. 1950. I was 2 years old. Where's the nylon? And a lot of times when you look at these, you've got big nylon gears. They are way in there, really tiny. I don't know if that's a good thing, but yeah, I see nylon. Look how freaking beautifully shiny that is. Oh, does it turn? Oh, it's smooth. It is smooth. Oh, it's a thing of beauty. Oh, this is a thing of beauty. I've said that just like a couple days ago with the Guardian Service handle. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's pretty. Is that not pretty? I'm going to have to find a vintage recipe now, and we can whip something. I thought it says stainless on the blades somewhere. You can't, it's very faint. But on the blade it actually says stainless steel. Wow. It's wild that they cut that out. Ekco Eterna. Boy, it doesn't get more pretty. That is gorgeous. So we're going to have to find a vintage recipe and maybe whip up some eggs. I was 2 years old. Hey, to be continued. Thanks for joining me this Saturday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.